The points A prime 3, 2 and B prime 4, negative 1 are the images of A and B respectively under a translation. Given that the coordinates of A are 0, 1, find the coordinates of B. So we can draw a sketch of this one here to guide us, and our sketch is this one here. This is our sketch. This is our sketch. Our point A prime, we have been given our point A prime. Our point A prime is 3, 2. So this is our point A prime 3, 2, and our point B prime is 4, negative 1. B prime here is 4, negative 1. This is the point. The points A prime 3, 2 and B prime 4, negative 1 are the images of A and B respectively under a translation. So it means that we are going to deal with the same translation for the 2 points. Given that the coordinates of A are 0, 1, find the coordinates of B. So the coordinate of A here, the coordinate of A is 0, 1. So our coordinate here of A is 0, 1. So now this point A that is 0, 1 is translated to point A prime. So point A 0, 1 is translated to point A prime 3, 2, and point B prime also here has been translated. So we need to get the other point over the point of B. We want to get the coordinate of B. The coordinate of B we have not been given. So we want to find the coordinate of B. Find the coordinates of B. So we want to find the coordinates of B. We want to find this coordinate here. We want to find this coordinate here. We have been given B prime, but B, the coordinate of B, we have not been given. So this B is the one that has been translated to B prime, that is 4, negative 1. Point A we have been given 0, 1 has been translated into point A prime, that is 3, 2. So we are using the same translation as for this one. For this one we are using the same translation as this one here. So now we just compare. We use this one first, A and A prime. So you can see that in order for us to end up with A prime here, when we move from A prime to A, you can see that we are going down. So when we check the point, the y-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So from point A prime to point A, we move down by 1 point. This is 1 point. From here to here is 1, from here to here is 2. So this is 1 point negative. We move down by negative 2, 1 point on the y-axis, and on the x-axis, from point A prime to point A, we move 1, 2, 3. So we move 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 here. 1, 2, 3 is making us end at this point A. So we move down by 1, we move 3 horizontally, then we get A. So we are going to apply that one also here because it is the same translation. We are also going to apply it to, we have been given here B prime. So we are going to move 1 point down in order for us to arrive at B. B is the object that has been reflected, that has been translated. B is the object that has been translated to B prime. So we move 1 point down, then that is vertically, y-axis. Then in the x-axis we move also the same way we have moved 3 points here. So it is 1, 2, 3, and it is going to give us this point here. And the coordinates of this point here is x-axis is 1, y-axis this is negative 2. So it is point B. The required point is 1, negative 2. This is the required point. We can use another way. We can do it in another way. We can also do it in another way because we are dealing with the same translation. So now we can say that okay, our point A, we are dealing with the same translation. So we can say that our point A 0, 1 has been translated to point A prime 3, 2. So we can write this one in another way. We can say that our point A here, it can be represented by x and y. X for x-axis and y for y-axis. So we can say that point A, that is xy, has been translated into, we can make it in terms of x and y. So you can see here that 0 plus 2 is giving a 0 here. 0 plus 3 is giving us 3. That is x. Here x here. 0 plus 3 is giving us a 0. 0 plus 3 is giving us 3, not 0. 0 plus 3 is giving us 0. You can say that 0 plus 3 is giving us 3. 0 plus 3 is giving us 3. So you can see here that this is 0. When you add to 3, you get 3. So now when we have x here, then we can say that x now representing 0 here, x plus 3 is supposed to give us the point here. So we can say that a prime is x plus 3. Then when we deal with y, 1, if you add 1 to 1 you get 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, giving us this one here. So now when we replace 1 by y, then we can say that y plus 1 is supposed to give us the coordinate of y here. So instead of saying that it is 2 here, we can bring this y plus 1 here. Y plus 1. So now we can find the coordinate of b. B here, we have been given b. B, we can say that b, x, y. Let the coordinates of b be x, y. Then b, x, y. B prime we have been given to be 4, negative 1. The coordinates of b prime we have been given to be 4, negative y. 4 for x, negative 1 for y. That is b prime 4 and negative 1. So now how can we find xy here? The required coordinate for b. So we can just equate. We equate 4 to this one here. We equate negative 1 to this one here in order for us to get x and y. So you can say that 4 is equal to x plus 3. 4 is equal to x plus 3. 4, we can bring this one here. 4 minus 3 is equal to x. 1 is equal to x. So our x is going to be 1 here, 1. Then now we equate negative 1 is equal to y plus 1. That is for y. This was for x. Now this one for y. Y here can say that negative 1 is equal to y plus 1. Y is equal to y here is equal to, we bring positive 1 this other side. Y is equal to, we bring positive 1 this other side, it becomes negative. So we can say that this is negative 1 minus 1 is equal to y. Y is equal to negative 2. So the coordinate here, y is going to be negative 2. Y is going to be negative 2. For y we say that negative 1 is equal to y plus 1. Negative 1 is equal to y plus 1. Then now we bring positive 1 this other side. Y is equal to negative 1 minus 1. Y is equal to negative 2. So our coordinate here will be y is negative 2, x is 1. So our required coordinate, the required coordinate b, is 1, negative 2. 1, negative 2.